money will be your byproduct. So you cannot, I mean, see, for a startup mentality, if you looking for, okay, this is my idea, and by this 1 year I will be a billionaire, and this is how I actually going to income. This will give us a total zero. Money minded people will not help in the startup things.
Hello everyone, today with us Mr. Abhijit Das, founder of Drivers. So hi Mr. Abhijit, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Kishandu?
I'm good. So Mr. Abhijit, can you please share me, means as a software engineer, I checked your background, you're software engineer in Cognizant, then suddenly you start Drivers. So can you please tell me some about the story to how you motivate to start a Drivers app? It's a completely unique idea. So how you start this thing?
Yeah, sure. I mean, back in 2016, uh, there is a time, because I am a very much bike savvy people. Okay, so from that time, I want to learn the four-wheeler also. So I was on my weekdays, on Saturday and Sunday, I actually used to drive with my driver that, can you please learn me how to drive and all that part, because I have the four-wheeler, but I don't know how to drive. So one fine day, what happened actually, so I was actually I thought that I can drive, I can learn so much of things, and I can drive the car without any driver. So near in, I mean, in Gorfa in Kolkata, there is a place in Gorfa. So what happened there? So I don't know that handbrake is actually pushed up from my side. So somehow in the Gorfa mode, that automatically there is a fire in the engine, and it is automatically, I mean, so much of vapor is going into my car. So I thought, what happened? I really felt very scared that what happened to my car. And when I got outside, that is there is a full, the fire is totally caught up from the engine. So that time I was totally, I mean, so much of scared that from that time I am not able to drive a single car. Till now, my left leg is shaking when I actually sitting on the driver's seat. So I thought that this kind of problem so many people are facing in when actually they want to drive, or some people who are actually not able to drive, or they don't want to drive, they want to enjoy their car ride, they want to have some party, or the elderly people who are actually living in Kolkata or India, but their family member, or let's say children is staying at outside of India. So they often require the driver services. But from that perspective, there is no particular tech-driven solution is present from their perspective, where they can get a totally tech-savvy solution without any others interaction. Just like a booking in Ola and Uber, how this Ola and Uber comes, then there is a YOLO taxi is there in our city. They are charging more, they are asking for this extra amount, they are not actually properly in time. So there is, the car is not properly cleaned, they have some union issues. So from these challenges, the Ola and Uber gets into the market. So for each and every startup, there should be a challenge they want to solve. So from my perspective, I also want to solve this kind of driver issues, because I want to make the people, so that there will be no second party from where they need to negotiate the amount. There will be a trustworthiness from the driver perspective, whether this driver is properly KYC background verified, whether they can drive a manual and automatic car as well. And the automatically, it's a cost savings for my perspective, because in Kolkata also, if you want to hire a particularly full month driver, you nearly cost around 14 to 16,000. But if you actually take in from the driver sub service, if the cost will take in, I mean, approximately 5,000 to 6,000. So there is a direct cost saving from the consumer perspective around 8 to 10,000. That is the value addition with the help of the technology that we want to bring to the table to the customer through the driver sub. So yeah, that's motivate me to drive the show, or to become a chief driver of driver shop.
So currently, how many drivers are working with you in this project?
Currently in pan India level, there are 3,000, more than 3,500 drivers are who are actively associated with the driver, with the driver shop.
So, Abhijit, when you just started this driver sub, you might be face many challenges. People are not familiar with this. They can book a driver for a short period of time, and drivers are also not habituated with this. There might be Ola, Uber is come. They are habituated with fine. We can drive a car, but it's not like it as a driver service new for them. So, how you approach them?
Yeah, so in the initial days, for each and every startup, there is a, cash crunch, there is a user crunch. So that's a regular problem. But what we actually focus, from my perspective, what I actually focus, I want to pinpoint them that what the customer is looking for. For each and every startup, that should be, from my knowledge, this should be know that what customer actually wants from your startup or from your business. So what I thought for my initial days, I actually tried at least 15 methods to reach out the customer, to check with them that what are the solutions. A few methods are like you can say that we have started a for the office commuters, that we are providing them with 30 days of service, let's say, or 22 days or 26 odd days as per their office timings. So what we offer them, that we will give you a pickup and drop services through our drivers with a around, let's say, 8,000 rupees. So this is one method we have tried. Few customers got attracted with them. They come to familiar with this. Okay, this kind of business is also there. Apart from this, we in the initial days we have incentivized the driver, because they are the main pillar of our driver shop. So we have to, there is less number of booking. So from the driver perspective, they also want to earn more money. So we have to, there is a bootstrap amount. There is some amount I borrowed from. I actually pitched to my father. He's my initial first angel investor. So I pitched to my father, and told him that see, this idea will make some changes in the driver industry. I totally believe on it. Trust me. So the initially he gave me around 6 lakhs of rupees as my angel investment. So that's I'm pretty, actually still now I'm writing in my share certificate my all the things and the bootstrap amount. For the incentivize of the driver, they are actually earning some, actually we are providing them a minimum guaranteed of income, so to hold the driver. And eventually we are continuously working on the customer's problem, what they want. See, for the housewife perspective, there is a particular time between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. they are got free from their household work. So we are targeting these household workers, or sorry, housewives, that we are giving you this driver service for your grocery shopping, for your makeup artists, or whatever they're shopping and all these things. So we are targeting these for the elderly people. They require driver for around 1.5 hours to 2 hours for their regular doctor visit. So we come up with a plan for them to, let's say, short trip. They want to go from this one to this one, and it will take around 1 hour time. So by doing that, we have come up with 3 types of services currently we are doing. One is called within city, which is calculating based on minute wise. So from a customer perspective, whatever minute you're going to consume, that amount charge you need to be paid to the driver. So this is number 1 point. Number 2, there is a booking charges for the local driver center. They will charge around whatever your timing is, whether it's 2 hours or 3 hours, that doesn't matter. They will charge you around, let's say, 6 hours or 5 hours. So we have come up with a solution for this package booking, that we will start from 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. So from that point of a customer, okay, wow. So there is a less amount of less time of booking we can get from 2 hours. And additionally, how much they will charge? Whatever they consume after 2 hours. And for the outstation trip, short trip, the people who are actually working in the IT industry, they want to go a short trip on Saturday and come back to on Sunday. They go with Digha, nearby places, so whatever. So we had started with the outstation trip with a per day charge. So that's why from that time I come into Mantra, that we are providing you a driver starting from a single minute to a single day. So that's our now tagline. Your car is your driver. starting from 1 minute to 1 day, we can provide it to you.
So, is any challenges you face? I can say there are some challenges which you not expect, and suddenly it's
Yes, hell lot of Krishnendu. There is, I mean, for me actually, for a SaaS product, I think it's very, for me actually, it's easy to sell because this is in my hand. But from a business which is driven by the other manpowers who are not actually you, who are actually serving your client, that's not me, that's my driver. So this is the biggest challenge, that I have an idea, I have a mission, I have a vision, but to cope up with this mission and vision, to tell the drivers and to come up with them with this kind of solution and this kind of service, this is the main challenge I face. Few examples, the drivers is complaining that, sir, I will not able to do for 2 hours job. This is not, there is no income from my side. The customer is scolding me for giving me 5 minutes of late time, or in the B2B sector, there is a overtime issue that after 12 hours, they are expecting more from the drivers. They want to work at least 15 hours or 16 hours. So these kind of challenges is always there. So from that point of time, we can think, okay, so I always heard about the buffer thing. In nature, every field there is, we call this a buffer thing. We need to be planning. If there is a plan A, there should be a plan B. But I never felt that this plan A, the implementation, sorry, the significant of plan A and plan B until and unless I made this driver sub. So for this kind of issue, I work with the plan A. Okay, this is the plan. This is my plan A. If this fails, then I have to go for the plan B. So by this way, I have to, I mean, whatever the challenges I faced, and come up with a solution for that thing. But main challenge is to handle the manpower, because in your driving seat, it's not me, it's the other person who may not be similar kind of mission or vision that I have. To cope up with my vision and vision to with the driver partner, that's the real flavor which we want to put currently.
So how anyone can register with you as a driver? And I also check on your website, you are also offering corporate services. What are those services?
Mm-hmm. Yes, so for the for come to your first question, that how to a person can become a driver partner or driver sub, it's very simple. You can check our website. There is a link called driver sub driver partner app, or you can go to Google Play Store. You can find that, you can search with the driver sub driver partner app. Download it. You will have to verify your number. Then you have to be answered 10 to 15 questions based on your ability. So from that question, we came to know that how much capability you have in terms of automatic, manual, your behavioral, your mobile safety angle. So all these things will be judged from this 15 to 20 sets of questions. After that, he needs to go through a online real-time document verification process where we are verified their PAN card, their Aadhaar card, bank details. Once all this is done, he passed our exam process. He has verified with his correct details, with his DL number, with his correct voter ID card number, PAN number, bank details. Then he has got a message. You are now selected for a driving test of driver sub for that particular location. Come to this time with this in this venue, pass the driving exam, and you will become a driver sub driver partner.
Okay, so you are taking a manual exam also for every driver.
Yes, manual exam. So because see, I mean, for the initial days, we have tie up with Maruti Suzuki, but I felt there is some lagging from their end. I mean, whatever the flavor I want to add, that is not actually coming out of these things. So I have started from my own at that point of time, and I have started this manual.
So currently driver service available anywhere in India, or any particular city is restricted? Right now, drivers are only available on this particular area.
Yeah, currently for the B2C, I mean for the individual car booking service currently open at Kolkata, But for the corporate services, it's pan India, starting from Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Chennai, all over the places. The B2B services are there. We are planning to launch our B2C service by end of this October in all major metro cities.
Okay. And what about these corporate services? You just tell me this corporate services.
Yes, yes. Corporate services means it's a software driven car. I mean, let's say they are a logistics company who are actually use their car for the employee transportation. So we have tie up with them and give them the driver service for the employee transportation. That is number one. Number two, you can check that after this Corona times, there is a huge boom in the electric vehicle segment. So we are working with many OEMs and many logistics company who are actually working on the electric vehicle segment. There is a benefit side, there is an upliftment of the society for the driver segment, as well as it is beneficial for the environment, because the less number of consumption of CO2 level, emission level is so low. So we are promoting these things. So we are majorly focused on the corporate segment for the electric vehicle. So as per our Prime Minister and the other leaders actually focusing for the by 2025, there will be an electric vehicle segment. There is a majority of the electric vehicle segment. So we want to put some our footprint on that part also.
So we can say about the COVID. So in COVID, there are many businesses are affected. So is there any drivers are also affected, because people are also might be they are saying, you know, right now is the driver a safe, is there hygienic, because this is the terms right now coming. Are they hygienic? Are there safety precaution? Is there this kind of thing? So what do you want to say on this thing?
Yes, so COVID time we grow around 2.5x till our before pre-COVID. So at that point, from 25th of March, we have started giving them the mask, sanitizer, and there should be a regularly uh, checking of the body temperature. From their perspective, we are giving them a body temperature checking, and there is a parameter called 99.5. If you have more than 99.5, you stop for the day, rest for the day. If you still have some symptoms, we have our own insurance policy which is given to our driver partner. Take a health insurance, take a health benefit from them, and sit back and relax. But Corona time, we're giving them sanitizer, giving them masks, gloves properly, and the face shield as well. So to be totally focused on because that time we are working for many FMCG companies like Big Bazaar, Big Basket, Spencer's, from pharma company called 1mg, Midlife. So from their employee transportation as well. So from that point of view, this hygiene needs to be maintained, because this is the major criteria from their side also. So we are properly doing that part. So that's why there is a boom in the market. So you can say that by God's grace, post-COVID, there is a huge potential of the market, because most of the logistics company has lost their driver due to this Corona. They are not able to provide them jobs, so that they are salary on hold. So due to this time, we are gaining their, what I can say, believe that yes, drivers sub can give this, at least they can give us job on the Corona time, but after Corona time, they will easily get a job for me. So that's the belief which we are actually want to focus.
So as I just check on your LinkedIn, actually you previously worked as a software engineer. So then you start this job, start this business. So in the initial days, means you are getting a good salary package, you are working in Cognizant, you might be getting very good package. So we quit the job and you start a business. Obviously in the initial days, you are not getting businesses, you are facing also problem. So do you demotivate this time?
It's yes, sometimes I still now feel demotivated, because see, we all are humans. We can't run away from our demotivation. We cannot run away our frustrations. So what at that point of time, I always think that okay, when I actually feel demotivated, I totally shut down my laptop, and I start listening to the what Steve Jobs speeches. There is 15-minute speech which is Stanford University. There is a Denzel Washington speech, which is just keep me boosting these things. So you need a booster from your perspective. Yes, I have believed for the each and every successful entrepreneurs, whatever what things I know, they also fear their losses or they also fear each and every day. But what makes them difference is that they have the guts to do that. Fear is always have. I have also my fear till now also that if this is not actually be a successful, what my vision is, what would be next? What should I do? Then I have to come back with the again job. But it's my internal belief that I can do that, and it is my internal belief, my whole entire team, that it's a team effort. And if I am doing it only, I may be failed. But when there is 23 to 25 people is working potentially, they are working for these things. I don't think that 25 people may be wrong. Yes, that motivates me. And coming to the demotivation factor, yes, demotivate. You cannot run away with the demotivation, but you have to be keep your positive side. You have to think your positive side to overcome these negative thoughts. So that's a skill. So sometimes I listen to the music, some motivational speech from Denzel Washington, Steve Jobs, Narendra Modi, uh, Maheshwari, which is Maheshwari. These guys are
Sandeep Mysore.
I mean start listening. Sandeep Maheshwari, correct. So this motivates me because you need encouragement from your inner, I mean inner things. So this will help you to grow. This will actually sustain your negativity, overcome this negativity and grow for the positive side. Yes, you can do that. Fear, which I cannot tell you that till now, each and every day I am suffering from fear that if it fails, then what should I do? But what differentiating I am creating, or like me, like we all are creating, that we are working on a mission. We have our internal belief. We are working hard. See, karma is the main thing as this thing. कर्म करते जाओ, फल की चिंता मत करो. So that thing I totally came into my mind, that it totally fit into my mind thing, that let's do it, whatever these things. And till now, I mean, see, there is so many challenges I face, so many. At that time of these things, my whole bootstrap amount is totally in gone vain. I have zero in my account. All my savings are gone. So at that point of time, I thought that this is the time I have to shut down my business. But somehow, as you were liking this service, as you were working hard, as you were passionate about it, some miracle will happen. You cannot measure. That time I met with the IMCIT. They giving me seed funding. That will automatically boost my thing. That will automatically give things. When I think that there is a, now I have to stop my business, there the IMCIT came. So there is a thing ना कि जैसे शाहरुख खान बोलते हैं कि अगर किसी तुम चीज को अगर शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको तुम्हें मिलाने के लिए जुट जाती है. तो
Yes, so can you please share some
so
thoughts for the new startups who are just newly launching their startup? You want to share some tips to them?
yeah, that's, I mean, this is for one liner which I very really fond of from Steve Jobs. Okay, so he somehow said that keep looking what you want to achieve. Keep always try what you actually want to achieve. Forget about what is the initial days, the hiccups or the problems are coming. Always focus on the larger goal part. For each and every successful man, if you want to be a successful, you cannot run away with the unsuccessful and the failure part. If you, each and every failure is your learning. Don't lose your faith on your inertia, on your inner capabilities. Start fighting, start looking for the bigger goals. Because when what you actually want to do, you haven't do, you have to do something, you never do it. in earlier life. So by that way, you have to be work on your idea, whatever you have. The main belief in your set that this will be a workable model or workable business for each and every perspective, and I can add value to my society. There is nothing rule that for a startup there will be $2 billion of startup. If my startup have helping some other people who are actually get benefited from this, my startup is a hit. I don't have to be now. I have to check my issues. Why I cannot go to the bigger market. That now that the time you have to be calculate whatever the failures you have done. Now you just think, okay, this is my failure. I cannot do this. I have to do that way, because failure is your learning. Because when you actually know that by this way, if you this go away, this will make me a failure. So by that way, you have it. You close this door. So the biggest part of a startup, these things, you at least know in which path there is a problem. But in many our lives, we don't know by which path we should go, whether it will be good or bad. But doing a startup, you at least came to know which should be my bad, what is my bad path, or my failure path. So this is the message. Stay hungry and stay foolish. This is the message for my every startup things, as the Steve Jobs. I mean, see what the revolution. I mean, each and every startup, you should have a mentality that you will revolutionize the you will revolutionize the business. Until and unless people is encouraging that my startup is doing something revolutionary, because startup is actually built because he or she, I mean, the co-founder sees some issues on the regular process. That's why they come up with the solutions. So he or she has to believe with his solutions that right now it's not actually listen by the people. But when I actually keep working on these things, I will definitely, with my expertise, with my services, or with my extended help, or my services, or my whatever these things, whatever my startup do, it will be beneficial to the upcoming generation. It will be upcoming society and uplifting the society. Each and every startup, if there is a mentality, there is upliftment of society, I believe there is nobody who can stop you to go to the successful path. So there should be a upliftment of the society. Money will be your byproduct. So you cannot, I mean, see, for a startup mentality, if you looking for, okay, this is my idea, and by this 1 year I will be a billionaire, and this is how I actually going to income. This will give us a total zero. Money minded people will not help in the startup things. This is for business. There is a thin line between a startup and a business, regular business. We are doing something which is not done yet by any other person. We are uplifting the society. We are creating jobs. We are not job seekers. We are job creators. So we are doing something which is not done by my previous generations. I believe we all are first generation entrepreneur. So from that perspective, you should have to be focused on what you actually do. Money will be your byproduct. Keep believe on yourself and stay hungry. And if you stay hungry and stay foolish, as all our startup godfather is saying, you will definitely succeed. Trust me, you will definitely succeed. 100% you will succeed. We have to just focus what we want.
This is a great interview with Mr. Abhijit. He shared his thoughts on the startups, drivers up, and he also demotivated. He told me and how he overcome that, and he also sent a good message to the upcoming startups who are thinking to start a new company. Don't just think, oh, I'm starting a business, so I will earn this much money. Try to sort out, figure out the problem. What is the problem in this industry, and how your startup will overcome this thing. How it will provide some value to the market. If you provide value, your startup will be boom. In every startup, you can any startup start with some problem and with the solution of the problem. So that is the thing.
Correct. Absolutely. that should be all of our motto for each and every entrepreneur. If we go with this motto, there is nobody, even God will not, will also will stop you from your success path or success story.
So everyone, there is a message for everyone to who is watching this video. So if you're viewing us on YouTube or Facebook, please like our page and subscribe our channel. And so we are coming up with this Mr. Abhijit, a kind of people who are starting their startup with some. Mr. Abhijit starting is taking money from his father. His father is angel investor, and now it's drivers are like more than 3,000 drivers. So we are coming up like this kind of stories. So please stay tuned with us. We are the next day we are coming up with the next story. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.
Correct. Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Krishnendu.